Good evening, Moonscouts! Tonight we're going to be checking out a prank video of eating loudly in the library. So let's go ahead and get into this. Oh my gosh. That would... Yeah, I'll go and tell you right now, that would drive me absolutely insane.
Oh, sorry. Would you like some Pringles?
No, thank you.
Yeah, I would stare at that person. I'd be like, wow. The celery and the soda. They're just smiling too.
Well, I have some for you guys too. That's a good study snack.
Kind of a noisy study, isn't it?
It's kind of a noisy snutty. That's, oh my god, that's so funny. He's eating a head of lettuce. Like, what's the most obnoxious sounding thing you can choose to eat? They're laughing. They're laughing. I like that. That's funny. I like seeing their reactions. That is so gross. I like that they're giggling about it though. The lettuce, like, that's when you know that person is messing, when they're eating, like, they're just chomping on a whole head of lettuce. Okay, what? Is he seriously... He's cooking eggs. He is cooking eggs on like a portable griddle. I love how everyone in that row is staring at him laughing. And the celery, like, what? That's so funny.
Are you okay?
Yes, okay.
Alright.
A bell pepper. It's all just like really crunchy raw vegetables. That's really funny. Oh my gosh, like everyone in there looked up. I could never do that.
Do you have a textbook that I can borrow just for a second?
What is he even squishing? Is that a nut?
You guys want any of these nuts?
That's a... These nuts. Oh my gosh.
What's this? Ah.
I could not. Like, I could never draw that much attention doing something that, like, blatantly annoying. He's putting the can on his head! No, he did not! He put the can on his head. The fizzing noise. The fizzing noise.
It fits in the backpack pretty easily. So.
How often do you travel with a grill? Oh my gosh. Ham on the go. Ham on the go. I love his personal, like, griddle. Or grill, or whatever it's called. Like, oh my gosh. I kind of want one of those. That is so funny.
Yeah. Should I cook some for you too?
No, I'm okay, man.
Oh, okay. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's the end of the video.
Oh, wow. That was really cute. That was funny. I like that one. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of that video. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out the Camp Bright Moon store. Link is in the description below. See you next time.